In this session, we're going to talk about naming simple acids. And acids are substances that, by one definition, produce H plus when dissolved in water. Sometimes you'll hear this referred to as the Arrhenius definition, named after Svante Arrhenius, who gave us this definition. And so let's look at these compounds, these binary compounds for the most part, that in the gas phase, when they are then dissolved in water, become acids. And so HF, if you were to name it using our nomenclature for covalent compounds, would be hydrogen fluoride. In water, that HF breaks apart to make H plus and F minus. So the hydrogen ion, cation, and the fluoride ion. And so in water, it makes H plus and F minus. And so we're going to call that hydrofluoric acid. So that's how we're going to name it. And so that's HF in water, where AQ denotes that it's dissolved in water, whereas the G in parentheses will denote the state that HF in is a gas, is hydrogen fluoride. HCl is hydrogen chloride as a gas. In water, it's going to be named like we did hydrofluoric acid. It's going to be hydrochloric acid. HBr in the gas phase is hydrogen bromide. When dissolved in water, it's going to be hydrobromic acid. HI, hydrogen iodide, if it's in the gas phase, when dissolved in water, it's going to be hydroiodic acid. And hydrogen cyanide as a gas, bad stuff. Stay away from it. It will kill you fast. It shuts down your electron transport system. When dissolved in water, we're going to call it hydrocyanic acid. There are some other acids that you need to be aware of. These are all going to be oxoacids. So classified because they have oxygen in them. And so HNO3 is going to be nitric acid. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. H3PO4 is going to be phosphoric acid. And HClO4 is perchloric acid. And so this is how we've gone about naming some simple acids. The acids that I've starred up above, we'll come to find out, are what we call strong acids, in that they dissociate 100% in water. If you're not a strong acid, you're a weak acid. That means you dissociate less than 100% in water. We'll talk a little bit more about that when we talk about electrolytes later in the semester.